guys, welcome back to Farm Life. Today we're, excuse me, I'm trying to record, but they're eating apples.
Good job.
Snickers finally got, or not Snickers, yeah, Snickers finally got an apple.
Woo, Kale. Eat it.
Ew. Alright, so, oh my goodness. Hey, cows.
Alright, bye cows. Bye donkeys. Bye.
Oh, I'm still staying out here.
Bye. I know some of y'all did not get to eat it. Just share food. Here's one right here.
Yep, look, there's an apple right there.
A cow that did not eat. You can come right here and eat.
Hey! Hey!
Are you coming?
Hey!
Are you coming, sweeties?
Hey, you!
Are you hungry?
Hey, you! You!
Are you hungry? You can come eat.
Stop mowing!
Yes.
There's Maggie.
Be quiet.
There's Maggie. So,
Okay.
this is just an eating video. We sadly do not have the chicken anymore. Let's go see its old coop.
It's so
Coop.
Kale.
So, we're gonna go see its old coop where it used to lie, and we can't feed it anymore. So,
We're
this
coming.
is old coop. It's sad he's gone. So where do we feed anymore? Yeah, he still has food and stuff.
Is he gone?
And over here we have the ginormous fire pit with a ton of wood.
Fire pit. Let me go. Look at the fire.
So here we have this fire pit with these nice chairs. Here's some of the wood. It has water in it. But here's some of the wood we have, but we have a lot more over there. There's Maggie again. But yeah, here's a neat little fireplace. We got rocks, chairs. Good. And our lake back there. It's pretty full right now. And if you can't really hear me because of the wind, I'm sorry. And then, yeah, that's really all I'm showing you guys today. But there will be a Christmas something coming up soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends if you want to get more videos like this. And if you subscribe, then we can get more animals, and it'll be more animals and more food, and it will just be awesome. So I love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.